Hi everyone, this is Michael Miller from the Writer Studio. I wanted to show you a couple of quick tips and tricks for setting up your discussion board threads to invite students to participate in the revision workshops. So the first step is when you get into your Blackboard course shell, you'll want to go down to your groups, click your group discussion board, and then here you'll see both a Project 1 and a Project 2 Writing Mentor Workshop sign up. So I'm going to click on the Project 1. Right now there's nothing in here, so I need to set up my threads. So I'm going to show you just how to do one. I'm going to click Create Thread. And then in the subject, I typically post the date and time. So we'll say Workshop 1, Monday, January 29th, 5 p.m. AZ time. It's really important to make sure that you are putting the time zone in which you'll be operating, so that way students will know, because again, they're kind of spread out sometimes around the globe. So including the time zone will be really important for their attendance there. The second thing is the message here. There's a couple different ways you can do this. What I like to do is I have a Google document that I've just saved, and I recycle this every session. And it has the instructions for signing up. So the first thing is asking students to click reply to the thread with the date and time that matches their availability. Next, to post their entire rough draft, including multimodal portions. Next, post the self-assessment located in the assignment instructions for this week. Those are typically the three main pieces that you want to include in your sign-up instructions. And then from there, some mentors like to post the workshop link directly into the thread itself, which works fine. I send out a separate email that also has the link to join, as well as another link that will enable students to ensure that their computer is ready to run Adobe Connect. So it has the setup links there. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste all of this information into the thread. And hit submit. So that's showing that my first workshop is already posted here, so students can start signing up. A tip that I like to mention is to hit the subscribe button. What this will do is Blackboard will now send you an email notification anytime a student signs up for any of the workshops. So after you post all of your different times in the discussion board, if you hit subscribe, you'll get an email anytime a student signs up. Now, one of the things that I will typically do is hide the workshop when it gets close to, sometimes 24 hours ahead of time, whatever I need in order to make sure that I'm prepared. So if you need to do that, you can click to select the particular discussion board. Under Thread Actions, you can just click Hide. And what that will do is it will show your status as hidden. And either, once 4 students sign up, or once it's getting close to the deadline for the actual workshop and you won't have time to adequately review a student's work before, if you click hide the thread, then it'll make sure that no one else is able to sign up. The last thing I just wanted to show you in this quick video is the introduction email that I send out, which is also posted in the Mentors platform under Teaching Resources. So again, just a quick introduction, inviting students to join, as well as the link for the actual workshop itself. And then 2 links below. The first one is the Test Your Connection link, so just making sure that students have all of the necessary plugins, as well as a quick overview. So for someone who's never used Adobe Connect, and I just find this helps mitigate some of those feelings of perhaps being uncomfortable or unsure of how the actual workshop will run.